The Inter-American Commission on Human Rights says it is deeply concerned about the death of Latoya Bulgin, the woman who was shot by the police in Granville St. James last week. Ms. Bulgin was part of a group protesting the fatal police shooting of a 17-year-old boy on Mother's Day. In a statement on social media site X, the Commission said it takes note of the officer's interdiction as well as the investigation underway and urges a prompt, independent, impartial and transparent inquiry. It adds that states must protect and facilitate the right to peaceful protest and stressed that any use of force by law enforcement must be strictly necessary, proportionate and aimed at safeguarding the right to life and personal integrity. Now, the shooting has left many Jamaicans outraged about the police's use of force and the need for body-worn cameras to provide independent data on these types of incidents.